Froggy Learns to Swim by Jonathan London, illustrated by Frank Remkiewicz.
Hey friends, before we begin our exciting read aloud story, please subscribe to our channel by tapping the subscribe button below. Thanks!
And keep reading!
It was hot,
It's a great day for a swim.
said Froggy's mother, so Froggy and his parents flopped outside to the pond. Flop, flop, flop. On your mark, get set, go! Froggy's father sailed in splash. Froggy's mother sailed in splash. But where was Froggy?
Froggy!
Called his mother.
What?
Come on in and swim.
No, I don't know how to swim. I want to swing. Whee!
Sang Froggy, swinging higher and higher. He swung so high, he almost touched the sky. He swung so high, he wound round and round the crossbar. Zing! Then unwound like a spring. Zing! And flew through the air. Right smack into the pond. Splash!
What are you doing?
Asked Froggy's mother.
I'm drowning.
Cried Froggy.
Help!
He
grabbed hold of his mother and climbed on.
What do you mean you're drowning? Don't you know frogs are born in the water? They're great swimmers.
Not me.
Blubbed Froggy.
I can't swim.
Oh, fiddlesticks.
She said.
I'll show you how. First float on your belly and stick your face in. I won't let go. Say, bubble, bubble, underwater. Then raise your face for air and say, toot, toot.
I don't want to.
Froggy whined.
Oh, come on, Froggy. Just try it. Repeat after me. Bubble, bubble, toot, toot.
Bubble, bubble. Toot, toot.
Spluttered Froggy.
Great. Now float on your back and do the frog kicks. I won't let go. Then go like this.
And she showed Froggy how, saying,
Chicken, airplane, soldier. Do it and repeat after me. Chicken, airplane, soldier.
I don't want to.
Whined Froggy.
Oh, come on, Froggy. Just try it.
Chicken, airplane, soldier.
Gasped Froggy. He glubbed and blubbed and almost sank.
Mommy, I need my flippers, then I'll swim.
Froggy climbed out and flopped back to the house. He pulled on his flippers, zoop, and flopped back to the pond. Flop, flop, splash!
Now try it again,
said Froggy's mother.
Bubble, bubble, toot, toot, chicken, airplane, soldier.
He glubbed and blubbed and almost sank.
Mommy, I need my mask and snorkel, then I'll swim.
Froggy climbed out and flopped back to the house. He pulled on his mask and snorkel, zoop, zick, and flopped back to the pond. Flop, flop, splash.
Now one more time,
said Froggy's mother.
Bubble, bubble, toot, toot, chicken, airplane, soldier.
And then it happened.
Oops.
Spluttered Froggy.
What's the matter?
Asked his mother.
Oh, nothing.
He said, looking more red in the face than green.
Well, it's getting cold, Froggy. It's time to get out.
No, I can't get out.
Why not?
Well...
And he blubbed underwater while she crawled out. Then he burst up for air and yelled.
Wait!
What is it?
Asked Mother.
My bathing suit.
He shouted.
Don't look, I'm getting out.
Froggy climbed out and yanked on his bathing suit with a zap of elastic. Then he pulled on his flippers, zoop, and sailed back into the pond, flop, flop, splash.
Froggy!
Called his mother.
What?
I told you, it's time to get out.
No, I don't want to get out. I want to swim.
Froggy's mother shook her head.
I told you frogs are great swimmers.
She said, and sat down with Froggy's father to watch him. And Froggy sang,
Bubble, bubble, toot, toot, chicken, airplane, soldier.
all night long. Swim. The end.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the story, please subscribe to our channel by hitting the big red subscribe button below. And check out more fun stories on our channel. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share our video with friends and family.